Hello guys, welcome to Spow Tech channel. Today we are going to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. First we have to know that it's recommended that you should have at least 8 GB RAM. If you have 4 GB RAM, you will be able to run only one virtual system and it will be slow. So anyway, we'll try to install Ubuntu on Windows 10. Now just go to the official website of Ubuntu and VirtualBox and you will find the links in the description. Just click here. At the download it starts and go to VirtualBox website. Click on downloads and choose your system. I have Windows. Now I will stop the recording until the download finish. So VirtualBox is downloaded. Just click here, open the VirtualBox. Click on next. Here you can choose where you want to install the VirtualBox. For me, I want to install it in Partition C. So just click on next. Here also. Here, click on yes and install. Choose yes. And install. It's finished. Click on finish. Yep. So Ubuntu has also been downloaded. Open the VirtualBox and click on new. Here you should type, for example, Ubuntu-0 if you have more than one Ubuntu. Click on next, and here Ubuntu needs 2 GB, so you have to type 2 GB, or sorry, 2048, and click on next, create. Give it like this, virtual disk image, and this dynamically. Click on next. Here it's better to type 100 GB, but VirtualBox will not use this disk this disk space, so don't worry and click on create. Ubuntu can automatically determine your location. So my location is Netherlands, but Ubuntu choose just the big city. So click on continue. And here you can choose any name, for example Spow, and computer name it's better to be Ubuntu. And choose your password. It's big password. Good. Click on continue. Guys, the installing takes a long time, so I will stop the recording, and if I have any problem I will show you. Okay guys, so when it's done then you have to restart the machine. Click on restart now. Yo guys, it's done. So nice. So just type clear. If you want to shut your machine down, type sudo shutdown -h now. Guys, uh, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in the channel.